Mel, you hear those coyotes?
Mm.
You're right, Mel. Those ain't very far away. They sound like they're just right down here on the corner. So, Mel, how was your first frog gigging?
Enjoying.
You enjoyed it?
Yes.
First time it's not your first frog gigging as far as to go out and experience it, but it's your first time to do it yourself and you
Yes.
be the one with the pole, huh?
It's my first time to do
Yeah.
this one.
So you got kind of giggy with it, huh?
Mm.
Well, I tell you what, it was a pretty good success, really. We missed some great big ones.
But I
Yeah.
think I have 3, right?
Yeah.
I get 3.
That bonus one out of the ditch just then, that was a real bonus. And
Oh,
those
yes.
were big ones like that we missed along the shore there.
Better luck next time.
Yeah, they're really not missed. They're there just like having them
Oh,
stored in the refrigerator.
that's right.
Yeah.
At least they're reserved.
Yeah, they're reserved. They're there if we need them.
Mm.
But this is fun. This is part of what we're doing right now with our uh, isolation time, right? do, do you feel highly isolated right now?
No.
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 Country
It's,
life's a pretty good life,
oh
isn't it?
yeah, it's like a normal life like we had,
Do you feel jealous of the people in the city right now?
No. I should die, my God. Actually, I was more blessed that we are here.
Man, I
We
tell you.
can do what we want to do, and we have more freedom.
When you first came here to this farm, you were thinking to yourself, what in the heck am I going to do out here, didn't you?
Yeah, I don't deny that. When I first time over here, so I said, oh my God, it is a boring place.
Right?
Yes.
And now, let's fast forward 6 years. And what's your feelings about that?
I feel blessed, like I said, blessed, and I open my mind that there's more life here.
Yeah.
And
You thought at first the city was probably the better life, didn't you?
actually not really because I live in also in province, so
Yeah, but you had a lot of people around you there in that
yes, that's
community.
the only thing. A lot
So when
of
you come out here and
company.
houses are spread far apart and there's big land and just the car going by every once in a while, you felt like you'd done been dropped in the desert, didn't you?
Plus, of course, like it's big land, of course, and only a few neighbor here. So
But once a year and so passed by, and a couple seasons went by, and you started seeing what all we harvest off this land, just like you all harvest a lot off your
yes,
land right
and I
there.
feel in love with it. So that actually, like I said, I fell in love, and
With me or the land,
the land.
but not me.
Of course, with you also. Oh my gosh. It's turning good.
Now I know what it is. Yeah, so you fell in love with the land. You really enjoyed like getting those pecans. When you got pecans for the first time, pecans as some people call them, that you didn't know what to think of them at first, did you? Because it's native. It's native to us, but foreign to you. Just like your things are foreign to
Oh
me.
yes, and
You know,
of course, like some wild fruits like persimmon,
yeah,
great. What you call that?
the wild muscadine grapes.
Yes, like that.
Yeah, getting the blackberries, the dewberries.
And of course, my garden, and I have more time or freedom to do the garden.
Yeah, yeah. Swing for the solar light there. Boy, we love these solar lights. I tell you, uh, that they're a blessing, aren't they? We got one we still haven't put up yet, and we got one that's turned off. I know that it's not broke because I see the sensor light on it. It just must be in off mode, and I need to turn it on up there. So, nevertheless, we're always reaping off this land, aren't we? So we had a subscriber today, Mel, and that subscriber, I don't know if he meant it joking
Mhm.
or if he meant it serious. I couldn't discern which way it was. You know,
Yeah.
when somebody writes just a message, a text,
Mhm.
there's no emotion or facial expression with it
Yeah, you
or
just don't
sounds of
know it.
voice. So, you know, if they write it pretty dry without any expression in the wording, you don't know which way they meant that. He's like, uh, to the tone that you could take it two ways, but the message is basically what are we gonna, you know, survive on here, you know, kind of like someone in the city can go to the grocery store, they can go to the markets, all that, you know, what are you going to get way out there in the middle of nowhere. Now he could have meant that joking because there is a lot to get from a person that knows, but he could also be a person that don't know, like, man, you're far away from a grocery store now, what are
Mhm.
you going to do? And so I can't discern which way he meant it, but I can say this, and you can back me up on it. There's a lot we can get that you
Oh
can't get
yeah.
at the grocery store.
That's why we choose like to come back over here because we know that we really survive it over here.
Absolutely. It's endless what we can get
Mhm.
in it.
Even since when I first time here, I already told to James. I said, "Well, this place is really you can survive here.
That's
You can
right.
do a lot of things. You can garden, and you can
Solar light sensor.
yeah scavenge some fruits here, the wild fruit. I mean, you can survive.
That's right. Fish.
Yes, fish. We have pond.
We can get
Fish.
them as we want to.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have to like go try to get 100 fish and clean and dry. We know they're in these ponds, and we know we can go out there and try our luck. And most likely, we're going to have pretty good luck, unless it's just
Yes, and
yucky conditions that day.
those people in the city, they know only to go and grocery.
Hmm.
So actually, those grocery, those food that they eat, they also came from the land like this,
Yeah,
the
from
farming.
farmers. That's
Yes.
right. That is right. Well, I enjoy you being here with me, and I'm very thankful that I got someone like you, Solar Light again, saving that battery. I'm thankful I got someone like you that sees the benefits of this land. Because, I mean, I know other foreigners that's married Filipinas, and they want one thing. They want in the city, and they want shopping malls and a
Mm-hmm.
credit card. City, shopping malls, credit card, and they want to be with all their girlfriends. Y'all call
Mm-hmm.
that a what? A group of girls together?
Socializing.
No,
What?
y'all have a name for that. Starts with a B.
Be barkada.
Yeah, yeah,
Barkadas.
that's right. That's it right there. You
Yeah.
know, your little clique, your little group.
Yes, barkada.
So you, as a Filipina here, you still found a group, but your group are other Filipinas living in the countryside, and some live in city.
It's also the same.
But you all are not the shopping mall dwellers.
Mm-hmm.
You've got to be in Kohl's, or you've got to be in Macy's or
Well, we
someplace.
went sometime to the mall, of course.
But
It's a
but
good
that's
thing.
not your life.
Yes.
You're not afraid to get your hands dirty,
Mm-hmm.
and
I
you
enjoy more
enjoying
here.
the fruits of the
Yes.
land, just like Addie Maurice, just
Mm-hmm.
like Eleni,
Yes.
all of them. And so just humans are humans. You know, you can't just blanket say that all races are the same. All of them are just want to be in the mall or this and that, because I've heard that, like, oh, if you're with a Filipino or this and that, all they want is, you know, money, or all they wants to be shopping and all that, or hang out
Nice
with their
house,
friends.
big house.
But man, that's blanket covering somebody, and I don't like that in any race at all. And there's all kinds of attitudes in every race out there.